Welcome this video. Fence panel decoration idea. A fence is more than just a boundary. If unexplored of your home, personal weather, aman, create a cozy backyard oasis. Enhance your home cup appear. Or add privacy. Front panel often a fantastic canvas for create decoration with a bat of image, even panel wood or material fans can be transforming a stain outdoor functional are sub inspired and panel decoration idea to elevate your outdoor space. Versatile gardening and plants box. If you love gardening but lush group space, turn your fence panel into various gardening is a beautiful soft attached panel box repurpose panel overhang post of your gardening felt thin flower hub or a structure to add color and textile. Outdoor wall art trend your fans like an outdoor gallery decoration material art whether turn even palette can make both statement. This is perfect for